Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Another exciting unboxing coming at you guys. So the red iPhone I got, I went ahead and decided to sell that because it's just an iPhone 8 Plus in a different color. And I was having a hard time going back to the LCD display of the iPhone 8 after being on the Note 8 and the iPhone 10. So I went ahead and picked up a Google Pixel 2 for one main reason, and that is the stock Android experience. And I think the Pixel 2 can also run the beta of Android P, if I'm not mistaken, so I might be able to do some beta videos on Android P, hopefully. If not, we'll definitely get some updates faster on 8.0. So definitely going to be awesome. We're not going to have to wait for Samsung to update the Note and all that kind of stuff. So this is a Verizon Pixel 2. I do have Sprint, but it's unlocked, so we're good there. I have the SIM cards right here for the phone. So after I unbox it, I'm going to activate it, and then I'm going to do the not the setup, because I'll have to set it up to activate it, but I'll do like a first impressions, hands-on kind of thing in a separate video after this one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the Pixel 2. As you see, it's just Team Pixel on the back there in green, Google Assistant built in, and a nice side view of the phone right there. There is some sticker residue on it because I did pick this up at Best Buy, so that was from the online order. No shrink wrap or anything on the box, it just pulls straight off. So we'll get rid of the top there. Right here we have the phone, which I'm going to put to the side real quick. This is the Pixel 2, this is not an XL. So yay, welcome to Team Pixel. I have a little pull tab here. It looks like we have some documentation and stuff in here that I dropped. So we have a SIM eject tool, which is cool. I have a ton of those though. So we have a Let's Get Started guide. Shows you how to use the headphone adapter and stuff like that. What you get inside the box, how to transfer your contacts, how to transfer stuff from another device, all that kind of stuff. Turn off iMessage if you're coming from an iPhone. Safety guide and consumer safety information right there. Don't need those. So here is your USB-C to USB-A adapter. So if you have a phone that uses USB, C or micro USB to USB-A, you can plug it into your Pixel to transfer your stuff over, just like you can on the Samsungs. And then under this we have your USB-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter. It looks like it might have a light or something on it. I can't tell what that is. It's on both sides though. But the headphone adapter. And then right here we have USB-C to USB-C for charging the device. That's going to be kind of nice because I do have the MacBook Pro with USB-C, so I can plug it straight in without the adapter. And then right here we have your USB-C to wall adapter. This does charge at 5 volts, 3 amps, or 9 volts at 2 amps. So you do have fast charge. I heard this phone does charge extremely fast. According to the advertisements, it is a 15-minute charge. Should get you about 7 hours of usage. Don't know what kind of usage that is, but we'll have to experiment with that, and I'll let you guys know. So getting the box out of the way, we do have the Pixel in this little tray right here, and here is the phone. It does come upside down. And it shows you how to use OK Google and the Google Assistant and stuff like that. Not a huge fan of that, but since it is built into this phone with no Bixby and stuff like that, we might try it out and see how I like it. So taking that off, here is the phone. At first, when the Pixel first came out, I wasn't a huge fan of it because of the plastic back. I know the white ones had an issue where if you wore like denim jeans a lot, sliding this in and out of your pocket would turn blue over time. There is metal under the plastic, so if you do drop it, the plastic can chip and expose that metal, so stuff like that. There is some glass on the back right here on the top, which it does add for a light phone. It is extremely light. It almost feels like, I wouldn't say if you took the battery out of an iPhone, because not many people know what that feels like, but if you ever get a device that doesn't have the battery pre-installed, and it's super lightweight, and then you put the battery in and it adds that heft to it. This is kind of in between that, where it feels like the battery's almost not in here, even though obviously it is. But it feels good in the hand. The fingerprint sensor is in the right spot. It's dead on right in the middle right there, so it's easy to get to. It's nice and round. There's nothing above it to hit. Your camera's on the top. We do have stereo speakers and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and power this device on, get it all set up, and then like I said, I'll do a separate video of my first impressions and stuff like that, how I like it, how I like the stock Android experience, and how I like the Pixel overall. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. If you guys want to see any videos on the device, I know it's been out for a while, but if you want to see any videos from me on the device, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.